Today we're making a super easy spring mocktail that can be made either in individual or in batch, and it's perfect for wedding showers, bridal showers, baby showers, or just for those spring get-togethers. I'm gonna use a mason jar because I think this is perfect for springtime, and we don't even need to shake this recipe. We can make it right in the glass. First, we're gonna use a ½ ounce of the Master of Mixes infused raspberry simple syrup. Then we're gonna use a ½ ounce of the Master of Mixes lime juice. Then we're gonna take a couple of mint leaves, smack them because that brings out the flavor, and we're gonna add them into our glass. Then you're gonna add 8 ounces of your favorite ginger soda. Then you're gonna add in a couple of raspberries and a couple of limes just for color. We already have that great flavor from Master of Mixes, so this is just to make your drink look extra special. And we're gonna add in some ice. Give it a stir. Garnish with some raspberries and a mint leaf and a fresh lime. And you have a beautiful spring mocktail that you can use either in batch or in regular, which is perfect for any springtime party. Enjoy!